something? Why are you hissing at me? I know what you're doing. You want me to guess what the animal noise is. I guess you're hissing like a cat. No? Do you think the noise sounds like a snake hissing? I'm really sure this time. Are you a big reptile that has lots of teeth and big snapping jaws? Then I know what you are. Can you be an alligator too? Yay, that's it. We're all alligators.
There's more music and fun on the way. Subscribe and we'll see you there.
Subscribe!
Subscribe! Subscribe!
Come on! Subscribe!